All right, good afternoon, Robert. We're here to do another unboxing and review. This time we have the American Express Hilton Aspire card. These used to come in much more fancier packaging and bigger packaging and more extravagant packaging. They've really pared it down, and Amex really needs to up their game. Here we go. All right, so gonna pull this tab. There it is. I don't even have to cover up the credit card numbers. Welcome to Aspire, and let's see what we got. Whoa. Exceptional stays. What's this? Card member agreement. Don't need that. This is it, man. You used to get like all kind of wooden display cases for your credit cards. Now you just get a little envelope. Your American Express Hilton Honors Aspire card. Don't leave home without it.